We must need antivirus to protect our device, and if you are planning not to purchase external antivirus program, you still have a better option. We can use free of cost antivirus named Microsoft Defender, which is inbuilt program of the Windows provided to protect our device. Let's take a look. Go to Settings, Update and Security. Now Windows Security. This is the Microsoft Defender setting homepage for us. It protects our PC in this much aspects in the effective manner. We can use all this protection free of cost just with a condition, and the condition is to keep our Microsoft Defender up to date. To update it now, let's go to Virus and Protection. It will open in the new window. Here, scroll down to the third option. Now just click on Check for Updates and done. Now, the latest protection database of the Microsoft Defender will be updated automatically.